Hey there, people. How's it going? And what we're going to be talking about today is the Kantek Acrylic Tape Dispenser. This is probably one of the classiest, stylish type tape dispensers I've ever seen. Yeah, I got this as a gift from someone on a gift exchange at work. And this is not crystal or anything like that. It's made of acrylic. It's kind of a classy type tape dispenser. And it's kind of girly. It is kind of crystal-like, but it's nice. It really is nice. And I've been using it for probably about 8 months now, and it works very well. It is kind of heavy, you know, because classically it's supposed to give you one-handed of the tape, so you don't have to hold a holder with the other hand. And it does work. Sometimes it does a thing where you have to scooch this or hold this, but if you are good and you actually, been using this a while, you can do this with one hand. Okay. Yeah, and that's kind of cool. I like that. Underneath, it has, you can barely see them. See those clear little feet that are on there? Those are like silicone feet on there. It makes it so it's kind of like a non-skid shoe or something. Yeah, it makes it so it resists sliding. Even though it kind of still slides, it resists it a bit, so you can get that, like I said, the tape, with one hand and getting it off. Yeah, still a little tough to do it, but it's okay. That's for the person that's very busy and can't afford to use two hands. Yeah. It is classy looking and it's very elegant looking. I think a girl would like this more than a guy. It does work well, and it takes 3/4 inch tape in the dispenser. It's a good hold for that. Knives here, this cutting edge right here is pretty sharp. You'll pretty much get a good clean cut just about every time without fail. It's nice that this is not too crazy big, It's kind of compact. If you have like other crystal-y type things under your desk, on top of your desk, statues or trinkets that are crystals, this will fit right in with those. It'll go very well, and it'll make it look like you have this really high class desk full of diamond type theme stuff, Yeah, I've gotten compliments on this at my job, mostly by females. They kind of wanted it, I was like, oh, well, I'll let you borrow it because I do need my tape. Yeah, actually several people at my job have this. All of them are women, but it doesn't, I haven't had any problem with anything breaking on it or where it holds with the tape. It it's very, it holds very well and gives me no issues at all. It doesn't ever feel like it's going to crack or, I mean, I actually dropped it once a while back ago, and it didn't even really leave a scratch anywhere. You know, it's built very well. It's very solid, you know, and it does its job. It really does. I like it a lot. I haven't seen many of these around like this. Most of the tape holders I've ever seen or usually see are black, you know. That's just kind of the standard. These are good. I like them a lot, and it was a nice gift. I just think a female would be more appreciative of it. All right, well, we've been talking about the Kantek Acrylic Tape Dispenser. All right, guys, well, I hope you guys use this information, and I'll see you again next time. Okay? All right, bye-bye.